In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a paper jam, that is the photo paper jam in your Polaroid high print printer. So you can see the printout has stuck inside, and if we try to take it out, it's held tightly, so it may damage something inside. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Don't try to pull it out from here, it may break it or it may damage something inside the printer. Now the best thing to fix it is try to open the ink cartridge chamber, remove it. So that's the ink film and the photo paper film, so we can just remove it from here and have a look inside. We can see the paper is stuck there. So the only way we can take it out is we can try to pull it out now. Try to pull it out softly, don't try to be very hard. And once we take it out, this way we can protect the film and the photo paper from damage. Now we have to install it again. The best is to restart it. So press the power button, switch it off and switch it on again. So this way we can fix the paper jam in the Polaroid high printer, and now we are ready to use it again. Thanks for watching.